Hey everyone, welcome back to the Bike Pulse. Today, we've got something seriously exciting for all the motorcycle enthusiasts out there. The brand new 2025 Kawasaki Ninja A-Name that needs no introduction in the world of sports bikes. But this latest model, it's about to take things to a whole new level. Kawasaki has once again redefined what it means to push boundaries. The 2025 Ninja isn't just a bike, it's a statement. From its futuristic design to its jaw-dropping performance upgrades, this machine is built for riders who crave both speed and precision. Let's start with the aesthetics. Kawasaki's gone all in with a bolder, sharper design. You can see those aerodynamic lines, which aren't just for show, they help reduce drag and improve handling at high speeds. And this aggressive front end? It's practically shouting that this bike was made to dominate the streets and the track. But let's talk performance. Because let's be honest, when we say Ninja, we're talking about speed and power. The 2025 Kawasaki Ninja comes with a brand new inline-4 engine that pumps out an impressive insert horsepower. Kawasaki has also fine-tuned its throttle response, making it smoother yet even more responsive than previous models. Whether you're revving it up on a straightaway or carving through tight corners, this bike is all about precision. Another major update is in the technology department. Kawasaki's really focused on giving riders more control. With advanced electronic rider aids like an improved traction control system, multiple riding modes, and even an upgraded quick shifter, the Ninja adapts to your style and the road conditions. Whether you're a casual rider or someone who loves pushing limits, these features make a huge difference in terms of both safety and performance. And check out this new TFT display. It's sharper, brighter, and more customizable than ever. Everything you need is at your fingertips: speed, RPMs, gear position, and riding modes. Plus, there's Bluetooth connectivity, allowing you to pair it with your smartphone for navigation and music. Kawasaki is definitely making sure you stay connected while staying in control. Of course, we can't ignore the sound. That signature Ninja exhaust note, it's deeper and more refined in 2025. The new exhaust system doesn't just boost performance, it also enhances that distinctive growl we all love. Let's take a moment to hear it. Now, I know a lot of you are wondering about handling. With a new lightweight frame and advanced suspension system, the Ninja feels incredibly balanced. Whether you're cruising through city streets or hitting the racetrack, the handling is razor sharp. Kawasaki's engineers have really nailed that perfect balance of comfort and sportiness. To sum it up, the 2025 Kawasaki Ninja is an absolute beast. It's faster, smarter, and sleeker than ever before. Kawasaki's clearly listened to feedback from riders and incorporated cutting-edge technology and performance upgrades. So, whether you're a seasoned rider or someone looking to upgrade, this bike is going to leave you speechless. If you enjoyed today's breakdown, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update on the latest bikes and gear. And let me know in the comments what's your favorite feature of the 2025 Ninja. Are you as excited about this bike as I am? Thanks for watching, and until next time, ride safe and keep pushing boundaries.